Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today is another unboxing. I know, I have got to figure out a way to stagger my Trunk Club and my Stitchfix deliveries because they seem to always be within a week of each other, but I don't get either of them for like 2 or 3 months. So, yeah, I gotta look that up. All right. A little staggered, you know, like this month Trunk Club, next month Stitchfix. What a great idea, Rebecca. Okay, so it is a Stitchfix unboxing, and I feel like with the Trunk Club unboxing was such a good spring inspired, I kind of think this one might be too. I gave some, did I give some notes? I don't think I gave as many specific notes to, I have 2 stylists named Nikki. Nicole is Trunk Club and Nikki is Stitchfix, and I think I said a few, did I tell Nikki? I don't remember. She'll probably tell me in her note to me if I said anything. Here's our brick. Ooh, I see color. Yes. Return envelope. I keep these because now that my daughter's in college, since I usually keep all my Stitchfix items, I keep these and then I just put a different label on top and I send her stuff, priority mail things to, you know, like little care packages. So it saves me a trip to the post office. I just think that's funny. That's my hack. Okay, there's my hack for ya. And there's a chainsaw going on a few doors down. It's a gorgeous day. It's about 60, 65 degrees. It's St. Patrick's Day. I'm kind of wearing green. There's some green in here. Oh, look, my trunk. Green, right? So top of the morning, yeah, Erin Go Bra, which does not have anything to do with support garments like I thought in 3rd grade. Oh, chainsaw, gorgeous day. The neighbors are going nuts mowing their lawns and doing stuff. So I'm sorry, I'm just gonna talk really loud over it all. Oh, that's probably not a good idea because then you guys are gonna be like turning down, whatever. I'll see what I can do. Okay. Price list, I will try to be good about mentioning prices. Stitchfix, if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. If you keep even just 1 item, your styling fee is waived. My recommendation is pin a bunch to Pinterest, have a board dedicated to your style, and make sure your stylist has that link and communicate with them. And I have good luck with Stitchfix. I know some people get frustrated, and I think some people can get frustrated with any subscription box service. So, you know, you win some, you lose some, and it is about communication and also kind of, what is the word? Like releasing assumptions. So sometimes think about maybe what someone else would think you look cute in versus what you think you should be wearing or what you are used to wearing. Because I've definitely come out of my comfort zone a few times. So just letting you know. All right, so you get some style cards and a note from your stylist, and she says, "Hi Rebecca, happy almost spring," right? I had so much fun watching your unboxing video, the last one. Thank you so much for sharing those with me. It's so chilly across the country right now, but I found you a few fun feminine pieces, less on the casual side. Yes, I did tell her. I said, please send me some really flirty, fun, feminine pieces that maybe are not as casual as I usually pick out. Yes. The Soft Sam Edelman jean is great for dressing up or down. I'm a little nervous. I've never tried that brand of jeans on. You can pair them with your white Daniel Rain blouse. Yep, love that blouse that I already have. The super soft cotton blend Market and Spruce knit in this fix. Add the bold red 41 Hawthorne blazer. I'm going blazers, you guys. Floral print Lulla scarf and pumps or booties for a polished look. Remember, booties. Love booties. Machine washable sleeve detail blouse. Oh, great. I love a blouse. White jeans. Yes. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, there's a scarf. Okay. It's like 2 outfits, you know, there's like 2 outfits in here. I like everything so far. There's navy, there's red, there's florals, there's like little dots. Love it. Okay, so here is the scarf. I have a weakness when it comes to scarves, and most of them are thick, chunky, woolly infinity scarves. So having something that's fresh and lighter weight is great for even on a sunny day when you want to make sure you've got some sun protection or you're going in somewhere that might have the AC blasting. I kind of have scarves all year long, and I especially love lightweight ones for spring and summer, which I know some people might think that's kind of pretentious, like what's with the scarf? It's 80 degrees out. But I love covering up. So if I keep the sun off my skin, I feel better that I'm not doing any damage. And also I think that hot climate countries in the Far East, Middle East, they wear their skin covered with fabric, and it's because it reflects and it protects, and it's just smart. So okay, so this scarf, Lulla lightweight floral scarf, is $28. You guys, I would totally spend that much money at like the Rack or TJ Maxx. This is really pretty, tons of colors to use it with whatever. This is the blazer. Oh gosh, you guys, this, oh gosh, I love this. I hope this fits. I want to show you, it has a pin dot detail. There are tiny white dots on here. My polka dot obsession continues. I couldn't think of the word. This is so cute. It's like fitted, and it kind of, you know, it's just enough like real estate agent meets casual boyfriend, like something polished, right? Okay. This is $88. It's lined. It feels really good. Oh, love that little detail. Not that I'd pop the collar, but if I had to. This must be the pretty blouse. Cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How cute is that? You guys, they look like little Easter eggs. They're like mint and teal. Okay, they also could look like leaves, like little pieces of confetti. This is called the Serein detailed sleeve blouse, size small. This is $58. Has a little button in the back. So it's just like a pullover. Oh wait, no, it buttons up the back and it has these little ties. Oh, how cute. This looks like a very casual, you know how I'm usually like, oh yes, I love the casual knits. Market and Spruce, something size S. Oh, Stitchfix has updated their labels. This is called the Carys Tie Back Cotton Top for $54. I hope it's both comfy, flattering, and not too boxy, but perfect, right? It's like we want it to be just that perfect combination of everything. We'll see. And then here's the jeans, Sam Edelman. These are size 6s. I've never, the Stiletto high-rise skinny. I've never tried Sam Edelman jeans. I'm always nervous to try a new brand because, you know, I'm like, Not Your Daughter jeans, cut from the cloth. Paige, you know, like I have my brands that I'm like, okay, I know what size fits and what cut fits. So just stay with those, but it's good to branch out. You never know. You never know. So those are So those are $98. Jeans tend to be a little on the pricey side, and if you think about it, it's kind of your uniform. So if you wear them every day, they could be worth the money. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch scenery, and I'm going to try these on for you. Okay. Ready for the fashion show. Well, God bless America, because I love this outfit. Okay, so here's the blazer. So cute. It is so cute, you guys. It feels so good. It has little pockets. Like, I don't know if it would even fit a phone or anything like that, but you know, it's there. So, has pockets. It's lined, and then it has, I cuffed it because it has the lining underneath. So I just did that, you know. I mean, I'm like, right? Just kidding. But I could. So, and then here's the top. So that's the jacket. It's like, it's knit, but it's not. Like, I can't figure out, I mean, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter what fabric it is. So here's the cute little top, and it is, it's got this really cute back. I think it's a little bit wonky because there's so many tags that it's like pulling down, but I think this is cute. It's comfortable. It's not, I don't think it's too tight or too boxy, so I think it's a good balance of just having something comfortable and knit. The jeans are awesome. They're very high waisted. So if you like to your belly button jeans, these are for you. The size 6 works great. I think it does a better job across the stomach without puckering. The blank NYC jeans I got in my trunk had this weird, like, you know when you have just a little bit of a pooch and then like it pooches out the jean versus like the jean kind of working for you. I'm trying to, yeah. But I think the butt's good, right? And they go all the way to the ankle. I have very dirty carpets, so don't judge, but I'm showing you the bottom. So for me, these are perfect ankle, or I should say, look at this, Phoebe. Hi, Phoebe, come here. Come here. Oh, that's my girl. Are you giving a, oh, she's so big, you guys. She's getting so big. It's been a month. We've had her for a month and she is about 3 pounds. And she was just over a pound when we got her, so. Anyhow, okay. I mean, you could tie it a myriad of ways, you know. There's this. Here, just do that. Can't get there, but okay, there we go. And Phoebe's playing with stuff in the bathroom, if you can hear that. So, yeah, right? Okay. Look how cute that is. I was like, trying to stick my elbow through here. Nope. And it has the little tie, oh, which came untied. Oh boy. I can't do that. Okay. This is just awfully sweet and cute, and like I love the little details about it. It's comfy. It blouses without being enormous, so I think it's flattering. This is kind of a cute little detail, having the peekaboo sleeve. You know, it just adds a little something something. So I'm excited about this fix, you guys. This is so cute. Okay guys, thanks so much. I hope that fix was fun for you as it was fun for me. And that, you guys, was my 40th fix. Oh my God. That feels like a lot of clothes. But I've been doing Stitchfix since pretty much it began. So what is that, 5 years at least, I think? Anyway, well, okay then, I will list everything below. I will list my referral code. So if you haven't signed up for Stitchfix yet, feel free to do it. And then I get a little perk. I know I get points, I get a reward. And then when you share your code, it's the referral system. You know, we love it. Yeah, so there you go. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. Leave me a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye.